Okay, so this is my Marlin 81. It's a bolt action 22. Beautiful little gun, very nice and heavy, accurate. Stock is nice and thick. It's really good on the hands. Feels really good. The bolt's got a very unique look to it. It's got a really weird bend. Kind of comes down along the stock and then scoops back up again, kind of like a J. These were made from 1937 to 40. If they don't have a serial number, if they do have a serial number, they're sometime after that, I believe. They come with a Peep Sight on the back. This one unfortunately does not have it, but if you do find one with the Peep Sight, it's worth almost the same amount as the gun. I picked this gun up for 140 bucks. I'd say it's probably worth somewhere in that $180, $200 range. They're great guns. They do tend to have some issues with the elevator inside for the 22 to lift it actually up. So when you pull it back, this whole elevating mechanism takes around and lifts it up into the chamber, and then there's a piece that pushes the bullet down when it goes in. Some people take it off, and if for whatever reason it's not feeding properly, you can actually grind a little piece underneath so that the elevator can lift a little bit higher again. So if you're at a gun show and you're looking at one of these, I mean, you're probably not going to take the nut out and look at it, but if you do see that it's ground down, that means it's probably done a lot of rounds, and that gun's actually shot a lot of 22s. This one hasn't had that, so actually hasn't been used all that much. But yeah, it's a great 22, super accurate, feels great in the hands. I absolutely love this gun. Safety again, it's pretty simple right there on the hands. Yeah, I'll just show you some shooting clips. And the magazine tube, it holds 17 rounds, and then it could fit one in the chamber, so it holds a total of 18. But just thought I'd give you a quick video of this beautiful gun. And yeah, thanks for watching, guys. Really appreciate it.